will see how to find first non-repeating character of a given string. So to find the first non-repeating character of a given string, we'll need to iterate the string and find the character count of each character. We can use map to store the character count of each character. So we can use character as a key and the frequency as a value for that character. We'll need to use linked hash map to maintain the insertion order because we need to find the first non-repeating character of the given string. The linked hash map will maintain the insertion order. So let's see how we can do that. So here word will need to iterate the input string, and to iterate the input string we can use chars method. It is provided in Java 1.8. The chars method will give us the int string. So we'll need to convert that int string to character. Here we can use groupingBy function of the collectors. The groupingBy function will return us a map with provided identity function. So we need to provide the classifier. So here the classifier will be an identity function. So the identity function will return the same value as the input value. So here we'll need to, the input value will be the character and it will return the character. So the based on that character, the groupingBy function will do the grouping of the string. Now we'll need to provide the type of the map. So because the groupingBy function will return the map, so we'll need here linked hash map. And we'll need to provide one another collector. So we are doing grouping, but while doing grouping we'll also need to do the counting of that character. So we can use here the collectors.counting method. So it will return us the map of long. Now we'll need to iterate this map to find the first not repeating character. So to iterate the map we can use entry set. We can use string on the entry set we can filter this entry set based on the value. So to that we can use filter. So the predicate will be entry e dot get. Now we can use the map to find out the key from this entry set. So the filter will be having value 1. So the entry e dot get value should be 1. Now we can map that entry to find the key from that entry set. So the map may contain the values, the keys having values 1 more than 1 key. So we can use the find first method to get the first value. And the find first method will return optional, so we can use get method of that optional class. So this one will be our return. Let's try this for some input value. Suppose the input value will be Mississippi. So the first non-repeating character here is M. So let's try for this. For another string as a so here the output is capital T. So if you want to ignore the case, we can achieve that by converting the input stream to a lowercase characters. So for that we can convert the character to a lowercase while doing the mapping here. To lowercase. Let's try once again for this value. Now the non-repeating character is F.